Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. I just want to have a quick talk about Whitco sliding door lock. Now this one is for a screen door or a glass door, and this one here is pretty much just for a screen door. They both come in the same pack and they're almost identical apart from one little difference, and I'll tell you what the difference is. So here you can see the part number W866917, and then you have W865317. This one has Leichhardt extended lever, and this one just has Leichhardt basically black and all the rest. So the difference is one can suit a slightly thicker door. So if you have a sliding screen door that's slightly thicker, then you would use this one. Sometimes these locks have also been put on sliding glass doors as well. So if you're using it for a sliding glass door, you would use the extended one, not the standard one. The standard one can only basically go on screen doors. It's for that 20mm type screen door. I'll give you a quick look on what's in it. You get your instructions, you get your two handles, and take note the size of these handles there, size of the handles and the size of the snib there, because on the extended one all of those features are longer. Now you get your outside handle, your inside handle, and your lock body here. Now this lock body comes with the ability to be connected to a 3-point locking system if you've got that on a sliding door. A lot of times you don't, and the problem is that when you want to put it into a hole that's only as big as the lock body, what you might need to do is actually cut these off. So what I like to do is just extend it out just by using a screwdriver. You get the screwdriver, you put it into the valley section about here, you push it, and then you push up, and those two rods now will extend. Then I would simply get a hacksaw or an angle on it and do a very fine cut, so that when these rods are retracted, they don't go inside the lock body. But this is the way they come. So you know, if you can't get it into the door with these two little parts, you just need to simply cut them off. The screws are included as well, and you'll probably find you'll even get a little black grommet in this bag. Where is it? There it is there. There it is there. For one of the sides for the external turn snip, which it doesn't have. Now these locks only come in a box like this, only come like that, and they don't come without the cylinder. You will need to order the cylinder. You'll also see you'll have different options about the cylinder. So the cylinder as it comes with two keys. If you're ordering, let's say, multiple ones and you want let's say 2 cylinders on the same, you'd select the key alike. If you're only ordering one, it doesn't matter, and key to differ means each cylinder has different keys. If you're ordering different locks from us and you want the same key for your screen door as your other deadbolts or deadlocks or handle locks you're ordering from us, you select key alike to order, and then we can key alike your order like that. Okay, so now looking at the extended one. So this is the extended lock here. Once again, you're going to get your instructions. You're going to get your striker plate, your screws, the inside thumb snib you can see right there, it's a lot longer, and you'd probably get a few more screws and a bit more of this and that. Here's the little handles that go through the plate. As you can see, they're actually longer as well. So instead of being for a thin door, it's designed to basically be a little bit further apart. So that's where the handles are longer and extended. The rest of the lock body is identical. The extended one doesn't have the problem with the sliding 3-point locking bars. It's only the standard size one that does. So that's a good little thing. And remember, this lock doesn't come with the cylinder. So if you're going to be installing one of these on a glass door or a thick door or a gate or something along those lines, you would want the extended one. They only go so far, so you can only really install this particular, the skinny lock on, I think it's up to 22mm, and this one here I think only goes up to about 38mm or something like that. So there's not a lot of room to play with. So that's the extended one, and basically the only difference between the first lock, this one here, and the second lock is the the length of these handles and the inside turn snip. The rest of the lock body and all the rest is basically the same, exact same type of lock. There it is there. And once again, before you put your cylinder in and put it in the door, put your screwdriver in there, push it all the way up, and that will put it in the locked section. Then put your cylinder into it. And as you can see on this particular model, they've actually cut the poles already from standard, from the factory. So that's good. Okay, so that's a Whitco Leichhardt extended and standard. Thanks for watching.